If you ever plan to manage someone else's Google Ads account, I'm going to tell you in this video how you can get access to their Google Ads account as a manager. So to get an access to someone Google Ads account as a Google client manager, what you have to do is to first of all download and install Google Client Manager over here. You can simply write over here Google Ads MCC and then search it, and you may see that my client center. If I write over here, you can see that there is an first URL manage client and performance campaigns with manager account. So you have to open this one and then create your own account. If you already have a Google Ads account, it will automatically linked up and you may be asked few questions, and then you will be move over here where you can manage your account. For instance, you have to write your business over here, and after this it will be shown like a business account like this one. So this is a manager account I have been using. What you have to do is to write your details, verify account, manage other people, and then you have to simply select the submit and it will automatically be created. So now coming back, in order to manage someone account, it's very important to understand their user ID. Every account has a Google Ads customer ID. It may be shown over here or over here because it's a manager account I'm using. So what you have to do is to simply ask your client to give you with your Google Ads manager customer ID. And even in the Google Ads email addresses, you may see over here that the Google will provide you with Google Ads customer ID as well. So ask your customer for this. Once you get your Google Ads customer ID from your client or your customer, and if you want to match their account, move on over here to your MCC client center, and over here in your accounts tab, simply select the plus tab over here, and you have an option of create a new manager account, create new account, or link existing account. So what we are going to do is to link existing account, and once you select the link existing account, you can paste the customer ID over here, and you will see that you will assign that yourself as a direct manager and simply select the send request. Once you select the send request, you can see over here that the accept link request has been sent. So usually once we done it, the client receives an email from the Google requesting the manager access. They usually have to prove it, but in case if they are not getting an email or they are having a hard time to get it approved, what they have to do is to move on to their admin side over here, move on to the access and security, and in the access and security go to the managers tab, and you may see a request over here for the manager. You simply have to prove it over here to get it approved. So yeah, thank you for watching.